Hello 6th Gen Camaro guys, this is Dark Knight Specialties and I am here to present to you the lighter, leaner, and meaner production single turbo kit for your car. So here at Dark Knight Specialties out of Houston, Texas, we have designed this countless hours, countless fitment issues, going back and forth, round and round and round until we got this thing perfect. So there are a couple little things that you're going to have to do in order to make this work. We'll provide a small list as far as what all it's going to take to make it all work, but we do have this custom in-house single turbo kit for your 6th Gen LT1. Fits great. Will make 750 horsepower at the wheels. Pretty damn easy on methanol or your fuel system provided that you have, probably a little less. But yeah, take a look. Here's our custom manifold we had made. Now, your spark plug's all clear. It's a little close, nothing touches, but you got to put the little brackets on there. Steering, a lot of people were wondering how do you do it. The steering clears, and this is a 4-inch downpipe off of a T6 turbo. So she fits. Crash bar that mounts to the car and the intercooler that mounts to the crash bar will be included. 2 blow-off valves. A little dirty, guys. We've been kind of busy working on it, trying to get this thing right. Clears everything, doesn't touch anything. And of course the G1 Intake Pro manifold that we will be offering as well as a kit if you don't want to use your factory manifold, you want to keep it looking nice. The methanol injection, everything powder coated. We'll sell this as a kit. If you want it powder coated to match your car, we'll get that done. Your AC line will have to be modified, which you'll just send that to us and we'll send it over to have it modified with our guys. Your exhaust downpipe will have to be modified to integrate into your factory exhaust. If you want us to custom build the exhaust for you from your downpipe to right at your catback, that's up to you guys. But yeah, this is our kit. We're very proud of this, and we are going to be selling this at a somewhat competitive price. There's a lot of work, there's a lot of time, and every single kit that you get will be built on a vehicle before you get it. So we have a jig and we'll use it for certain things, but for the most part, this is our patent. We own it. We are the very first shop in the United States, from what I'm aware of, that has a 6th Gen production Camaro single turbo kit. Yeah, so this is it, guys. If y'all want it, we'll probably start taking orders. We're just about ready to start letting this out. So I'll send you a video of what it sounds like. I'll let y'all get a little more view here. Everything clears. Get it from this angle, trying to catch every angle. No hood issues, no hood clearance issues. This is made to fit under the car, under the hood, with no real issues. There's a couple little modifications required harness wise and stuff like that, but it's nothing major. Your box right here needs to be moved over just a little bit to clear. We haven't gotten it screwed down, but it's loose and ready to go. All we can do is tighten it up. This kit works. We've already had it on the dyno. Customer ended up wanting a turbo kit. We had a lifter issue we had to take care of, so we're going to put a turbo cam in it. We'll also offer that custom DNS turbo kit as turbo cam as well. So yeah, this is it, guys. It's pretty. It's truly unique to look at it from any angle. Yeah, don't worry about the headlight. It fits just fine. Filter wise, you're just gonna have to get a screen for it. That's our only issue. We do not have a filter option for it currently, and I'm not really sure how that's gonna happen or take place. This might be more of a Friday night, Saturday night special, quarter mile, eighth mile, half mile, run it down the track special. It's going to be y'all's call. So this may just be more of a race application, but this is it. Y'all let me know. Looks like we're good to go. We're ready to start this kit up and start sending these out to our customers. We're going to be busy. We've already got 4 in line. Thanks, guys.